29237 Willowick. It's a beautiful day, by the way. There's no snow here now. It melted. It was snowing, but it's about 47 degrees now. Here's all that new cement we put in a while back. Walk back this way. There's a few. I'm going to do a video here, but we're not quite done because the flooring guy was scheduled out, so he's coming in. He's going to start the flooring. Actually, this is Thursday, so he's going to start it today. But everything else, I'm going to have the guy come back. I'm going to actually do a walkthrough right now and make a list. But mostly all the other stuff is finished, especially all the paint. All that's done. Everything's cleared out, so the floor guy can get in here and get this done. So, but he'll be here today. He just was scheduled out a little bit. And the reason we use him, obviously, is because of the pricing and all that. So he gives us a great deal. And it's great flooring we're going to put in here. And all this is going to be floored. Well, you're not going to have to mess with flooring the rest of the time you have this house. So I think that's why we do it. We don't put carpet in because of that. And if there was wood under here, I would just redo the wood, but there isn't, as you can see. So, but all the painting's done. And there's a couple more things that we have to do on this, and then we're done. So there's not much more here. It's just getting the flooring in, and then he's got some other minor stuff, painting some doors, and see like that over there. He's got to get all these on, these caps, this kind of stuff here, which they always leave for some reason. We get a door over there. So just wanted to shoot a quick video, let you know I'm staying on top of it. Getting this one done. I want to get it done quick. We'll get this all cleaned up, taken out, and then we'll we'll varnish it. So this is hopefully your last update video. I'm going to work very hard to get this taken care of and finished next week so we can get it up for rent. Thanks. Hope you're having a great day.